Greetings, hackers! Welcome back to Covert, where we explore the world of physical penetration testing and all things covert entry. I, of course, am your host, the one and only Can Opener. Today we're going to be picking our very first challenge lock. It's called Just for Fun, from my dear friend Cajun Lock Pick. I've actually gotten it open once, but this will be the first time picking it on camera, so let's dive right in and see how this goes. Alright. Move the counter rotation on 1. Click on 2. Click on 3. 4 is binding, but I can't quite get it to move. I think I might. There we go. So getting a little bit of counter rotation. Maybe that one might not be ready to be picked yet. Let's come back to the beginning. Rotation on 1. Looks like we dropped it. I may have just overset it, as a matter of fact. Oh. We just slipped into a false set. Binding on 4. Don't think it's ready. On 5. There's a click on 5. Let's go back to the beginning. Dropped 1 again there. Let's click on 1. 2 feels set. A little bit of counter rotation on 3, maybe. Maybe I was just pushing on it. Come back to that one. 3. I'm having a little trouble getting behind 4. Set, 2 set, 3 feels set, 4 has got some counter rotation. If I can get it, see if maybe, ooh, there we go, hit 5, and I think we are open. All right. Lock her back up. There we go. And get my pinning tray in here. And find a follower. Tweezers. And let's get this baby gutted. I just thought I'd take a moment to say, if you haven't seen my last video yet, it's part 1 of my social engineering episode, and definitely go check it out. A lot of good information in there, and I will be bringing the follow-up video to that out very shortly. Still working on the editing and so forth, but check it out and see if you can guess the space that the video was recorded in. First person to get the correct answer in the comment section will be receiving a lock in a giveaway. And I'll be revealing the answer in the follow-up video, which will be part 2 of the social engineering video. Some seriously beautiful work on those custom pins. A few of these I'm honestly not sure what to call them. We've got a nice mixture of serrated spools, some mushroom pins with serrations. Much appreciation goes out to CLP, Cajun Lock Pick, for this awesome work. And not to mention an incredibly fun pick as well, so. I almost forgot to check Bible for milling, and it looks like got some threading. 3 and 5, maybe a little bit in 1. I can't really tell. Alright, let's get this put back together. So there you have it. Just for fun, it absolutely was very fun. Much thanks again. I'll be working on picking the next 2. So I wanted to thank everybody for watching, and I'd also like to extend my thanks for all the well wishes that I've received during the time that I've been ill. That meant a lot to me. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe and jingle that little bell. You know how he goes. See you next time on Covert. I'm your host, Canover.